Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to delete your ChatGPT conversation history. Whether you want to clear just a few chats or wipe everything, we have got you covered. So let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open ChatGPT. Now on the top left corner of the screen, you can see two horizontal lines. Just tap on it. And here you will see a list of your past conversations. This is your chat history. To delete one specific chat, hover over the chat title, click on the trash icon that appears, then confirm by clicking delete. But to clear your entire history, click on your name or email in the bottom left corner, then go to data control section, scroll down and tap on clear chat history. Then click clear chat history again. And yes, your conversations are now deleted and your ChatGPT is cleared up and fresh. If this video helped, be sure to like the button, subscribe for more tech tips, and comment below if you have any queries. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.